It's a common notion, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. I've seen the